Welcome back to our channel. We hope you'll find valuable content here. If you enjoy our channel, please remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Let's dive in. The money game, navigating the world of finance. Imagine you're on a giant game board, much like the ones you played with as a child. This game, however, is called the money game, and it's played by almost every adult around the world. The rules? Simple. Try to gather as many coins and notes as you can, without losing them along the way. But as with any game, there are strategies, challenges, and decisions to be made. Let's dive into this game and understand its nuances. Understanding the money game. At its core, the money game is about the financial markets and our quest for wealth. It's not just about accumulating money, but also about using it wisely, growing it, and ensuring it serves our needs and desires. Think of it like a game of chess. There are multiple pieces, each with its own set of moves and strategies. In the money game, these pieces are the various financial instruments and decisions we make, like investing in stocks, buying real estate, or starting a business. Different ways to play. Stocks. Imagine you're buying a tiny piece of a company. If the company does well, so does your tiny piece. This is what stocks are. By investing in stocks, you're betting on the success of companies. Bonds. Think of bonds as lending your money to someone, like a government or a company. In return, they promise to give you your money back after a certain period, with a bit of interest. Real estate. Ever dreamed of owning a house by the beach or a condo in the city? That's real estate investment. It's about buying property and either selling it for a profit or earning rental income. Starting a business. This is for those who dream big. Starting a business is like setting up your own game within the money game. It comes with its own set of rules, challenges, and rewards. Saving. It's the oldest strategy in the book. Keep a part of what you earn, let it accumulate, and use it when you need it. Finding your strategy. There's no universal strategy to win the money game. It's like asking, what's the best way to play chess? The answer varies from player to player. Similarly, the best financial strategy for you depends on your goals. What do you see when you dream? A peaceful retirement? Owning a dream home? Launching your own cafe? Your financial moves should align with these dreams. Risk tolerance. Are you a daredevil, ready to take on high risks for high rewards? Or do you prefer the slow and steady approach? Knowing your risk appetite is crucial in the money game. Financial situation. Your current financial health, your earnings, your obligations, all these play a part in deciding your strategy. General principles for success. Set clear financial goals. Before you set out on a journey, you need to know your destination. What do you want your money to do for you? Maybe you're looking to retire by 50, or you want to buy a home in the next 5 years. By identifying these goals, you can chart out a clear path to achieve them. In the subsequent sections, we'll delve deeper into each of these strategies, understand their pros and cons, and learn how to make informed decisions. Remember, the money game isn't about who has the most money at the end, but who utilized their money in the best way possible to achieve their dreams. So, let's gear up and play the game smartly. Educate yourself about money. Knowledge is power, and in the money game, it's your most valuable asset. The financial world can seem like a maze, with its jargon, complex concepts, and ever-changing trends. But with the right knowledge, you can navigate this maze with confidence. Why education matters. In the money game, ignorance isn't bliss, it's costly. Making uninformed decisions can lead to losses, missed opportunities, and financial setbacks. By educating yourself, you make informed decisions, understand the pros and cons of each financial move. Stay updated. The financial world is dynamic. What worked a decade ago might not work today. Staying educated helps you adapt. Avoid scams. A well-informed player can spot red flags and avoid falling for financial scams. Ways to educate yourself. Books and articles. The classics like Rich Dad Poor Dad or The Intelligent Investor offer timeless wisdom. But also keep an eye out for contemporary writings that address current financial trends. Financial advisors. These are the coaches of the money game. They offer personalized advice based on your financial situation and goals. Online courses and workshops. The digital age has made financial education accessible to all. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy offer courses on everything from basic budgeting to advanced stock market analysis. Peer learning. Sometimes, the best lessons come from those playing the game alongside you. Join financial forums, attend seminars, or simply chat with friends and family about their financial strategies. In the money game, every decision you make is a move on the board. And just like in any game, the more you know about the rules, strategies, and players, the better your moves will be. So, invest in your financial education. It's the one investment that always pays off. Making a budget and sticking to it. A budget is like a roadmap for your finances. It tells you where your money is coming from, where it's going, and how much you have left at the end of the month. Just as a traveler wouldn't set out on a journey without a map, a player in the money game shouldn't navigate without a budget. The importance of budgeting. Control over money. A budget gives you a clear picture of your finances, allowing you to make informed decisions. Achieve financial goals. Whether it's buying a new car, going on a vacation, or saving for retirement, a budget helps you set and achieve these goals. Avoid overspending. With a budget, you can ensure that you live within your means and avoid unnecessary debts. Steps to create a budget. Track your income. List down all sources of income, including your salary, bonuses, and any side hustles. List your expenses. Categorize and list all your monthly expenses, from rent and groceries to entertainment and dining out. Set spending limits. Based on your income and expenses, set limits for each category. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your budget, track your spending, and adjust as needed. Tips for successful budgeting. Use budgeting apps. Tools like Mint or Anab can automate the budgeting process and provide insights into your spending habits. Set aside savings first. Before allocating money for other expenses, set aside a portion for savings. Review regularly. Financial situations can change. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget ensures it remains relevant. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself, but about empowering yourself. With a clear budget, you're in control of your finances, and you can make decisions that align with your goals and dreams. Investing your money wisely. Investing is like planting a seed today and watching it grow into a tree over time. It's about putting your money to work, allowing it to grow and multiply. But just as there are different types of seeds, there are different ways to invest, each with its own risks and rewards. Why invest? Beat inflation. Simply saving money might not be enough. Over time, the value of money decreases due to inflation. Investing helps your money grow at a rate that outpaces inflation. Achieve financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, funding your child's education, or ensuring a comfortable retirement, investing can help you reach these milestones. Build wealth. Investing allows your money to compound, leading to wealth accumulation over time. Types of investments. Stocks. As mentioned earlier, buying stocks means owning a piece of a company. It's a way to benefit from a company's growth and profitability. Bonds. Bonds are essentially loans you give to companies or governments. In return, they pay you interest. Real estate. Investing in property, whether residential or commercial, offers potential rental income and capital appreciation. Mutual funds. These are pooled funds where multiple investors contribute. A fund manager then invests this pool in various assets. Precious metals. Gold, silver, and other metals have been traditional forms of investment, often seen as a hedge against economic uncertainties. Investment tips. Diversify, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Research, before investing, do thorough research. Understand the asset, the market conditions, and potential risks. Long-term perspective, investing is not about quick gains. Adopt a long-term perspective and allow your investments to grow. Stay updated, financial markets are dynamic. Regularly review your investments and stay informed about market trends. Investing is an essential part of the money game. It's the mechanism that allows your money to grow and work for you. With careful planning, research, and patience, you can navigate the investment landscape and pave the way for financial prosperity. Patience and persistence in the money game. In the money game, as in life, patience and persistence are virtues. While it's tempting to seek quick wins or get disheartened by setbacks, the journey to financial success is often a marathon, not a sprint. The role of patience. Compounding effect, think of your investments as seeds. Just as seeds take time to sprout, grow, and bear fruit, investments often need time to mature and yield returns. Avoiding impulsive decisions, financial markets can be volatile. Patience prevents you from making hasty decisions during market highs or lows, which might lead to losses. Achieving long-term goals, whether it's buying a dream home, retiring comfortably, or leaving a legacy, these goals can't be achieved overnight. Patience keeps you focused on the bigger picture. The power of persistence. Overcoming setbacks. In the money game, setbacks are inevitable. Whether it's a bad investment, a market downturn, or unexpected expenses, persistence helps you bounce back. Consistent savings and investments, regularly setting aside money and investing, even in small amounts, can lead to significant wealth over time. Continuous learning. The financial world is complex and ever-evolving. Persistence in educating yourself ensures you stay ahead of the curve. Tips for cultivating patience and persistence. Set clear goals. Knowing what you're working towards can help you stay patient and persistent. Celebrate small wins. While keeping an eye on the ultimate prize, celebrate intermediate milestones to stay motivated. Stay informed. Understanding market cycles and financial trends can help you remain patient during downturns and persistent in your strategies. Seek support. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, financial advisors, or groups that can offer guidance and encouragement. In the money game, while strategies and financial acumen are essential, the virtues of patience and persistence are the unsung heroes. They are the steady forces that drive you towards your goals, ensuring you stay the course and achieve financial success. Additional tips for winning the money game. While we've discussed various strategies and principles to navigate the money game, there are some additional tips that can give you an edge. These are tried and tested methods that have helped many achieve financial success. Start early. The early bird gets the worm, and in the money game, the earlier you start, the better. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, even small investments made early can grow significantly over time. Example: if you start saving $100 a month at age 25, with an average annual return of 7%, by age 65, you'd have over $250,000. But if you start at age 35, you'd have just over $120,000. Live below your means. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you save. By consistently spending less than you earn, you create a financial cushion that allows for investments, emergencies, and achieving your goals. Tip: create a budget, differentiate between needs and wants, and prioritize savings. Avoid debt. While some debts, like mortgages or student loans, can be considered good debts, it's essential to manage and reduce unnecessary liabilities. High-interest debts, like credit card debts, can quickly erode your financial health. Strategy: pay off high-interest debts first, avoid unnecessary loans, and always pay your bills on time. Pay yourself first. Before allocating money for expenses, set aside a portion for savings and investments. This ensures that you prioritize your financial future. Tip: automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts as soon as you receive your paycheck. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. The financial market is dynamic. An asset class that performs well one year might not do so the next. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment portfolio ensures it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Strategy: set a schedule, for example, annually or biannually, to review your investments. Adjust based on performance and your financial objectives. The money game, like any other game, requires strategy, patience, and sometimes a bit of luck. But with these additional tips, you equip yourself with the tools to navigate the challenges and maximize your chances of success. Conclusion: mastering the money game. The money game is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and growing. While the game's rules might seem complex, with the right strategies and mindset, anyone can play it successfully. Key takeaways: set clear goals, know what you're aiming for. Whether it's early retirement, buying a dream home, or traveling the world, having clear goals will guide your financial decisions. Stay informed: the financial world is dynamic. Regularly educate yourself, stay updated with market trends, and be open to new investment opportunities. Be disciplined: whether it's sticking to a budget, consistently saving, or avoiding impulsive spending, discipline is the backbone of financial success. Diversify: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets to mitigate risks. Seek expert advice: while it's essential to educate yourself, don't hesitate to seek expert advice when needed. Financial advisors can offer personalized strategies tailored to your goals. Final thoughts: the money game is not just about accumulating wealth, but using it wisely to create a fulfilling life. It's about financial freedom, the ability to make choices, and the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Remember, every player's journey is unique. Compare less, learn more, and stay focused on your path. With patience, persistence, and the right strategies, you can master the money game and achieve your financial dreams.